Are sports sponsorships tax-deductible for companies? In recent days, a hot topic has emerged in the world of business and sports. Are sports sponsorships tax-deductible for companies? As businesses look for ways to maximize their marketing budgets, understanding the tax implications of sponsorship deals is more important than ever. If you are a business owner or involved in marketing, you may be wondering how these sponsorships can impact your bottom line. Let's break down the facts. Generally, sports sponsorships can be tax-deductible for companies if they qualify as ordinary and necessary business expenses. When a company sponsors a sports event, team, or athlete, the payment is often seen as a marketing expense. This means it can be deducted under business tax rules. However, the specific tax treatment depends on how the sponsorship is structured and documented. One key point to consider is the difference between advertising and charitable donations. If the sponsorship provides advertising benefits, such as brand visibility or logo placement, it is usually deductible as a business expense. On the other hand, if the sponsorship resembles a donation without direct advertising benefits, it may be treated as a charitable contribution. This has different deduction rules and limits. Documentation is also essential. Companies must keep clear records showing the sponsorship's business purpose and any advertising or promotional benefits received. This helps justify the deduction if the Internal Revenue Service questions it. There are limitations and exceptions to keep in mind. Some sponsorships may not qualify for deductions if they are seen as personal gifts or if the benefits received are minimal. Additionally, tax laws can vary by jurisdiction and change over time. Therefore, many companies consult tax professionals to ensure compliance. In practice, community sports sponsorships, like sponsoring local teams or events, often qualify for deductions if the company receives recognition or advertising in return. Large corporate sponsorships of professional sports typically qualify as advertising expenses as well. It is important to note that sponsorship payments made directly to athletes can be treated differently. These payments might be considered endorsement fees, which are also generally deductible as business expenses if documented properly. In summary, companies can usually deduct sports sponsorship expenses as advertising or promotional costs. However, clear business intent and advertising value are necessary. If the sponsorship is purely a donation, it may be deductible as a charitable contribution under different rules. Consulting tax experts is advisable to navigate current tax regulations effectively.